Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. This is a news article from RT.com as of May the 9th, 2024, and it reads, Ukraine target Russian cities on Victory Day. It says the region of Belgrade, Bryansk, and Krasnodar all came under attack overnight. Came under attacks overnight, I meant to say. It says Russian air defense have intercepted several Ukrainian drones over several regions, with local authorities in Belgrade reporting multiple injuries among the civilians as well as damage to houses and other infrastructure. The defense ministry said on Thursday morning that Ukrainian attempt to carry out attacks using the Sysik-made RM-70 Vampire multiple launch rocket systems and drones on the country's territory. Officials say that a Russian air defense system shot down 50 projectiles and one drone over Belgrade region, with another 2 UAVs destroyed over Bryansk region and 3 over Kursk region. However, the attacks resulted in a serious impact on the ground in Belgrade region. At least 8 people, including a 11-year-old girl, were injured in Belgrade as a result of the strikes. Governor Vasyliskov Gladkov said on Telegram 4 victims were rushed to the hospital in a various shrapnel wound, while the girl injured with a sharp nail in her left foot has been taken to the specialized children's hospital. Dozens of flat 19 multi-story buildings and one private house were damaged in the city of Belgrade. The officials said some of the buildings suffered direct hits, with the photos of the aftermath showing an extensive damage and destroying sections of walls, others showing numerous blown out windows and broken glass littering the ground outside. It says in some of the footage of the aftermath, cars parked next to the residential blocks could be seen burning. 9 of the at least 37 vehicles damaged in Belgrade overnight are burned out completely, according to the city mayor Valentin Demidov. It says Belgrade authorities have yet to establish the full scale of the damage. It says the border region was targeted multiple times, with authorities issue air raid alerts on 3 separate occasions overnight. The wider Belgrade district, 4 resident buildings and 3 cars took damage as a result of the strikes at the village of Dolbovov. It says in a separate incident, at least 6 drones target the oil facility in Enpa in Russia's Krasnodar region, according to the local emergency services. The attack reportedly caused some damage at the facilities, triggering a fire but no injuries. This is 2 Esdras 15 verse 15. For the sword and the destruction draw off nigh, and one people shall stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. 2 Esdras 15 verse 16. For there shall be sedition among men, invading one another. They shall not regard their kings nor their princes, in the course of their actions shall stand in their power. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from RT.com as of May the 9th, 2024, and it reads again. Ukrainian target Russian cities on Victory Day. The regions of Belgrade, Bryansk, and Krasnodar all came under attack overnight. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Kakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Ma'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.